Hey, tell me why the fuck I'm supposed to feel this way. Hey, tell me why the fuck I'm supposed to feel this way. Why? Yeah, I feel this way. Hey, tell me why the fuck I'm supposed to feel this way. Tell me why the fuck I'm going down. I'm in that plane, going back you, don't ever pass it us, don't ever tell me why I'm supposed to feel this way. I feel so good, I feel good, man. What talk to feel good, man? What feel good, I feel this way. I feel good, man. I got a girl made a 44 ounce of perp, short smoke, perp, short drink. Sour yellow, lemon perp. Got mellow, yellow, and perp. Got Mike and I, Jolly Joes. Ready go away. Tell me why the fuck I feel this way. Why the fuck do I feel this way? Tell me why the fuck do I feel this way? Hey, 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 hey. Tell me why the fuck I feel this way. Speaking it out with my left hand. Yeah, left-handed. Why the fuck do I feel this way? Everybody see me with my car cap on. I put my hand out to my heat. He laughing at me. He laughing at me. I got money in my pocket. It don't fit in a wallet. I fold it up and count it. Double down to the money. This way. Tell me why the fuck I feel this way. I don't know why the fuck I feel this way. When I lean right, when I lean this way. To the left, lean to the left. I don't know why I lean so hard. And my pills hard, and my work hard, and my box hard. Man, my box hard. Crack a nigga in this shit. Crack a nigga with my mitt. Got a hand wrap under that bitch. I'm about to pee in that bitch. I take a number 2, take a number 1, take a number 21, 12, get jump. 21 jump, 3 jump, man dunk. Jump, man dunk, like a dunk, man sack. Chunk of a girl got me lifted again. Tell me why the fuck do I feel this way. Hey, this way. Hey, rocking my head in the hoodie hard. I don't know what the fuck I would do if I had it hard. I feel this way. I don't know why I ever feel this way. But I feel this way. Why the fuck do I feel this way? Tell me why the fuck do I feel this way? This way? Why the fuck do I feel this way? Tell me why the fuck do I feel this way?